Hello and thank you for clicking in to see this observational assessment of Northpark Drive. During this quick assessment, we will examine the roadway surface, road drainage, signage, and other relevant features to help ensure safe and efficient travel for all drivers. Our goal is to document existing road conditions and highlight any areas that may help drivers navigate Northpark Drive effectively and efficiently. Without further delay, let's get started. As you can see here, the dense vegetation lining this stretch of Northpark Drive creates a visually appealing corridor, as it softens the roadway with mature trees and lush greenery that enhance the area's natural character. The abundant plant life provides shade while driving, improves aesthetics, and contributes to a more pleasant driving experience. However, while the greenery offers significant environmental and visual benefits, it can also present challenges during heavy rain events, especially in this area, as rainfall is often very heavy, as some of the vegetation may impede drainage as it falls to the ground, conceal standing water, and reduce visibility for some motorists. Tree branches, leaves, and undergrowth may encroach on the roadway during heavy rainfall. Also, during intense rainfall, such conditions can contribute to localized flooding, hazardous driving conditions, and delayed stormwater runoff on Northpark Drive. Also, due to the heavy vegetation along this portion of Northpark Drive, some of the road signs are partially obscured from view. When vegetation blocks or limits the visibility of regulatory, warning, or directional signs, drivers may have less time to recognize and react to important roadway information. This can be particularly concerning for drivers unfamiliar with Northpark Drive. For drivers unfamiliar with Northpark Drive, nighttime conditions may be particularly challenging as well. In short, road signs partially obscured by heavy vegetation may be troublesome to some drivers. Moreover, the road markings along most of Northpark Drive appear faded and less visible than intended, which can reduce their effectiveness in guiding motorists safely. Clearly defined lane lines, edge lines, and other pavement markings are critical for communicating traffic patterns, lane boundaries, and driver expectations. As these markings deteriorate over time, drivers may have greater difficulty maintaining proper lane positioning, especially during nighttime hours, periods of heavy rainfall, or other low visibility conditions. The reduced visibility of roadway markings can increase driver uncertainty and the potential for conflicts between vehicles. As drivers travel on Northpark Drive, they may notice the absence of a road shoulder. Not having a road shoulder may present safety concerns for some motorists by reducing the available recovery area adjacent to the travel lanes. Road shoulders serve an important function by providing space for disabled vehicles, emergency stops, and driver recovery in situations where a vehicle unintentionally leaves the roadway. Without this important buffer, drivers have less margin for error, thus increasing the potential for collisions with roadside objects, vegetation, or other hazards. The lack of an appropriate road shoulder may also complicate emergency response efforts and create challenges for maintenance operations, pedestrians, and cyclists. As traffic volumes increase in Kingwood, the limited roadside clearance may contribute to elevated safety risks and reduced operational flexibility along Northpark Drive. Furthermore, the numerous road islands along Northpark Drive help organize traffic movements and provides benefits such as access management and pedestrian refuge areas. However, the frequency and placement of these road islands may also create potential safety concerns for drivers unfamiliar with Northpark Drive. As road islands introduce fixed objects within or adjacent to travel paths, requiring motorists to make frequent adjustments in lane positioning and navigation. During nighttime conditions, adverse weather, or periods of heavy traffic, these features may increase driver workload and reduce reaction time, particularly where visibility is limited. Additionally, the presence of cracks and deteriorating pavement seams along portions of Northpark Drive may negatively affect roadway safety by creating an uneven driving surface and contributing to ongoing pavement degradation. Over time, the cracks and failing joints can widen, allowing water to infiltrate the pavement structure and accelerate deterioration. These surface defects may reduce ride quality, increase vehicle wear, and present challenges for drivers, particularly during wet weather when water can collect within damaged areas. For some motorcyclists, bicyclists, and other vulnerable road users, Northpark Drive irregularities can be especially challenging. Now, here's a little insight about the big construction job that is currently taking place on Northpark Drive. The project involves widening Northpark Drive from 4 lanes to 6 lanes between I-69 and Russell Palmer Road, while constructing a new grade-separated overpass that will carry traffic over both the Union Pacific Railroad tracks and Loop 494. This improvement is intended to eliminate delays caused by frequent train crossings, improve traffic flow at the entrance to Kingwood, and provide a more reliable evacuation route during emergencies. Additionally, a major component of the construction project includes extensive drainage and stormwater improvements. Construction crews are replacing open roadside ditches with a modern storm sewer system and constructing drainage features designed to better manage runoff and reduce flooding concerns that have historically affected this area. The project also includes landscaping enhancements, pedestrian and multi-use pathways, and improvements to the visual appearance of the gateway into Kingwood. Due to the ongoing construction activities along Northpark Drive and the high traffic volumes that occur during peak commuting periods, drivers are encouraged to exercise patience and remain attentive while traveling on Northpark Drive. Traffic congestion can become significant, particularly during morning and evening rush hours, as lane shifts, reduced travel speeds, and construction-related activities affect normal traffic flow. Impatient driving behaviors such as frequent lane changes, tailgating, and aggressive maneuvers can increase the risk of crashes and further contribute to delays. Allowing extra travel time, maintaining safe following distances, and remaining alert to changing traffic patterns can help improve safety for all motorists, construction workers, and other roadway users, while these important infrastructure improvements are underway.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.